When it comes to fashion, glamour, dressing up, styling, Neha Dhupia always manages to get 10 on 10. Right, Neha? Are you like used to it? चीज़ें भी बहुत आसानी से आपके लिए हो जाती हैं?
Well, ये तो बहुत बड़ा compliment हो गया. I think in our country and जो actresses हैं आजकल सब बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती हैं, बहुत ही fashion conscious हैं. But I mean, yeah, अगर आप मेरे से पूछें तो मेरे को अगर सच कहना हो, I'll go to any extent, I'll endure any amount of pain as long as I look fashionable.
Exactly. मैंने देखा है कि आप एक ही रास्ते में you experiment a lot, be it with hairstyle, be it with dressing up. So when did you realize कि नहीं, time to experiment and अलग-अलग चीज़ें experiment होनी चाहिए?
Well, मेरे लिए I think I realized at a point where there was this whole change going on in my head, even as far as cinema or my choices of films are concerned. Or my choices of fashion are concerned. जब आप शुरुआत में आते हैं क्या होता है that I'm talking out of experience now because I've been here for 9 years कि आप बहुत कुछ करते हैं because somebody else who's on the number 1 to number 5 position वो कर रहे हैं or you work every day thinking that's the thing to do, so you end up making the wrong decisions or you wear something that looks good in a fashion magazine or looks good on someone else. But that's not the answer. The answer is to have fun with yourself in the name of fashion. Do whatever you think you want to do, and just बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि आपकी personality निकल कर आए. तो अगर आप मेरे बारे में कहें कि my fashion choices are a little different या फिर मैं experiment करती हूँ, but that's how I am in life. और मैं वैसा ही करती हूँ with my choices in cinema, वैसा ही करती हूँ in my everyday life, my choices in food or whatever, पर fashion की बात करें तो yes, I'm somebody who is I'm aware of what's in fashion, what's not. I'm conscious of what looks good on my body and what doesn't. I mean, nothing about me is perfect, and I know how to hide my flaws.
नेहा, अभी हम फैशन की बात कर रहे हैं, ग्लैमर की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपकी जो आने वाली फिल्म है मैक्सिमम, उसमें आप उतनी ही सिंपल तरीके से ड्रेस्ड अप है. So what attracted you towards this character?
I think जो मेरी सिनेमा में choices होती हैं, they are never defined by what I'm wearing. मेरे किरदार के बारे में बात करें तो I play Supriya, that's Sonu Sood's wife. और जी हाँ, I'm clad in cotton sarees. और अगर हम फैशन की बात करें, वो भी एक तरीके का फैशन ही है, amongst our housewives and homemakers. And there is a large majority of our audience जो बहुत comfortable हैं cotton sarees में और बहुत खूबसूरत भी लगती हैं. And I'm just glad that Kabir Kaushik, my director, thought that I could carry it off. थोड़ा मुश्किल हुआ मुझे शुरू में, but after that I was fine.
We've heard that Neha has signed up super films. Neha, किस तरह की फिल्में आप साइन करना चाह रही हैं, साइन कर रही हैं, और what are the projects in the pipeline?
Well, the intention is definitely to be a part of really, really good cinema. और उसके बाद अगर audience is always the final judge, अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आए तो great, नहीं पसंद आए, we'll work even harder towards making good cinema. Well, I do have Maximum releasing on the 29th of June, and after that I have a really small but fun film called I'm 24 releasing with Rajat and Ranveer Shori, directed by Saurabh Shukla. And I have a film called Rush with Imran Hashmi, जो 26 अक्टूबर को रिलीज़ हो रही है. That's a thriller and closely and loosely based as to आपकी इंडस्ट्री कैसे काम करती है. So there will be a lot of questions raised from you, and I am working on something in the future which I'll talk to you about.
So Neha, it was pleasure talking to you as always, and I wish you all the best for all your forthcoming films and hoping to see more and more of you in Bollywood. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Add Zoom TV to your circle on Google Plus and get juicy bites of Bollywood entertainment round the clock.